Good morning, all. I, Mehreen Jawali, welcome you to Orchid School. Today's date, 1st June, topic Maths 1 Roman numerals. Today, we are going to study about Roman numerals. What does Roman numerals means? So, here there is a small clock. The same way I have made a clock over here. Can you all see? Yes. Here there is Geeta and teacher. What is Geeta saying to the teacher? The clock does not have numbers. It has some numerals instead. Teacher, yes Geeta, there are Roman numerals. In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. If you will pay attention over here, all these are capital numbers. See, capital I, 2 times capital I, V is there, X is there. They have used capital numbers. That is why they are called as Roman numerals. The letter I was the symbol used for 1. V was used for 5 and X is used for 10. Now pay attention, these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest all numbers like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These numbers are called as international numbers. What they are called as? International numbers. And over here, and these all are Roman numbers. Are you all getting it? Okay. For this, you have to follow 4 rules. What are the 4 rules? Let us see. Rule number 1. If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Pay attention. If I write I 1 time, that means 1. If I write it 2 times, that becomes 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now they have told 2 and 3. If I also write 1, 2 and 3 times I, it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Now they have also told us about X. Let us see. If I write 1 time X, it becomes 10. If I write 2 times X, it becomes 10 plus 10, that is 20. If I write 3 times X, it becomes 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Now we are on rule number 2. The symbols I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral 5 is never repeated consecutively. Now here we have something interesting. 5 is never repeated means 5 we have to write only once. We cannot write 5 and 5, that is 10. No. We have already X as 10. So you can repeat I and X. I, that is 1. You can only repeat it 3 times. If you will write it 1, 2, 3, 4, that also becomes wrong. And if you write X 1, 2, 3, 4, that will never be 40. Wrong. That is also wrong. Means I you can repeat only 3 times. 10 you can repeat only 3 times. Now we will come to rule number 3. When either I or V, that is 1 or 5, is written on the right of the symbol. Now see, I have a left hand, I have a right hand. So right side means right hand side, this side of right of the symbol of a bigger number. Its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Means if I take 5 and on the right hand side I take I take V, that is 5, I, that is 1. So the number will increase, it will become a bigger number. How? 5 plus 1, that becomes 6. Now if I take X and I add right side one number, that is 1, it becomes 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. I can even add X plus 1, 2, 3, 1i, 2i, 3i, and then I can write 10 plus 3, that will be 13. Means if I am writing any number on the right side, they become bigger, their value become bigger. We are on rule number 4. When I is written on the left of 5 or X, means if V and I is written on the left side. Can you see? I have written I on the left side. So what is telling? Then its value is subtracted from the value of 5 or 10. Means the value of 5 and it is subtracted by the value. This value is subtracted, that is 5 minus 1. That becomes 4. Again they have told one more, they have told us for X, that is nothing but 10. So X on the left side we have to write 1, that is I. So this becomes 10 minus 1 because 1 is on the left side and here it is a bigger number. On the left side we have a smaller number. So we will going to subtract 10 minus 1, that becomes 9. For 4 we have symbol as I and then V. And for 6 we have a symbol ulta, that is V and I. Same way. For 9 we have I and X. And for 11 we have ulta of 9, that is X and I. See, on the right side 1 is there, that means added. Left side is there, that means subtracted. And over here we have one more important thing, that is, however, the symbol I is not written more than 1 before 5 or X. Means when you are subtracting that number and 1 is before the bigger number, that means you have to write only one time. Before V you can write I only one time. Before X, I you can write only one time. Now pay attention to the important Roman numerals and numbers. Roman numeral I is number 1. Roman numeral 5. V is number 5. Roman numeral X is number 10. Roman numeral L is number 50. Roman numeral C is number 100. Roman numeral D is number 500. Roman numeral M is number 1000. Means these all are the capital numbers which represent Roman numerals, and these all are our international numbers. Okay. Now problem set 1. What is the first question? Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Here I have all the numbers till 20. I have to write them in Roman numerals. For 1 I am going to write I. For 2 I am going to write 2 times I. For 3 I am going to write 3 times I. Can I write 4 times I? No, I am going to write 1 I and then V. For 5 we know that we have to write V. For 6, I am going to write v plus 1. For 7, I am going to write v plus 1 plus 2. That becomes 5 plus 2, 7. For 8, I am going to write v plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is v plus 3. That becomes 8. For 9, I am going to write x, and before that 1. That becomes 9. For 10, I am going to write x. For 11, I am going to write ulta of 9. That becomes x and right side 1. For 12, I am going to write x and 2 times 1 and 1. That is x plus 2. That becomes 12. For 13, I am going to write x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is x plus 3. That is 13. For 14, we are going to write x plus 4. That becomes x, y, I and v. That becomes 14. For 15, we are going to write x and 1 time 5. So x and 1 time v. That becomes 5. X 10 plus 5, that is 15. For 16, I am going to write x and then 6. That is v and I. X plus 6, 16. For 17, I am going to write x plus 7. That is v 2 times I. That is x, v and 2 times I. That is 10, 5 and 2. That is 17. For 18, I am going to write x, v and I 3 times 1, 2 and 3. That is 10, 5 and 3, 18. And then for 19, I am going to write x and 9. How we wrote 9? I and then x. That becomes 19. And for 20, 2 times x. X and x. This becomes 20.